Hi everyone, this is Larry and welcome to our first video course on HSK1 Lesson 1 for beginners. In the HSK1, we only have 150 new vocabularies and 15 lessons to cover up. And note this, you only need to know about 2,500 Chinese vocabularies to speak a fluent Chinese. That means HSK1 150 vocabularies is not enough for you to start speaking. So in case maybe you are done writing your characters or studying all the whole vocabularies in HSK1, that doesn't mean that you can speak a fluent Chinese. It's not possible. But the importance of this HSK1 is that it is the basic foundation of studying Chinese language. If you don't pass through HSK1, it's going to be very impossible, very hard for you to study HSK2, HSK2, HSK3. It's going to be very hard for you to study, to learn Chinese language. So that means this is very, very important. Just like in English language, we have ABCD. If you don't know ABCD and start learning other things, it will not be possible for you to learn that language. So this is very most important step that you're going to take in these studies. So in the lesson 1 of this video course, you're going to learn the formal and informal way to greet people in Chinese language. What do you say when you meet people for the first time in Chinese language? Let's quickly start. When we meet people for the first time, the first thing we usually say is hi or hello. And the response in English is usually hi or hello. In Chinese, hi or hello means Nihao, Nihao. And the response is usually Nihao. Nihao, when separated, it means two different things. Ni on its own means you. Ni, you. Hao means good. So in Chinese, if you want to say good, you simply say how. Then you want to talk about you, you simply say ni. Or when they comes together, it literally means hello. But this can only be used for formal purposes. How? Look at the picture on the text 1 of our HSK textbook. You will discover that the two young men must have known themselves for a long time, or they might be friends. So that's why he can simply use Nihao. Then on the text 2, we have Ninghao, Nimenhao. Ninghao is a polite way of greeting people for the first time when you meet them. But here in the text 2, the response here is Nimenhao. But when you meet person for the first time, you can simply use Ninghao, Ninghao. You can respond with Ninghao, Ninghao. Or in the text 2 here, the response is Nimenhao. Why? Nimen is a plural of you. Why do we use that here? You look at the picture here, we have two people that were like a couple with an old man with them. So, and the couples just greeted the man, Ninhao, and the man responded, Nimenhao, meaning what? Because Nimen is a plural of you, and the couple must be more than one. So, Ninhao, Nimenhao. So that means if you see people maybe on the roadside, you know, your friends, maybe in the school or any place, you can simply tell to them, 你们好, 你们好, as far as they are more than one, even though they are 20 or more than that, and you want to simply greet them, hello, hello, you can simply say to them, 你们好. So, 您好, 你们好. Now, let's move to the last section. On the last section here, we have 对不起, and the response is 没关系. 对不起, 没关系. 对不起 means sorry, sorry. And 没关系 is it's okay, it's no problem. 没关系. 对不起 maybe you mistakenly matched someone's leg and you say, oh, I'm sorry, oh, please, sorry. Say 对不起. Then, how do we say, Mom, I'm sorry? You can say, Mama, 对不起. Mama, 对不起. How do you say, Dad, I'm sorry? You can simply say, 爸爸，对不起。爸爸，对不起. So, the response is always 没关系. 没关系, there's no problem. So, someone can simply say to you, 对不起, and you want to forgive the person, you can simply say 没关系. So, in this lesson, we've been able to cover up 6 new vocabularies, remaining 140 something. The vocabularies are 你好，您、你们，对不起，没有关系. Please, if you are a beginner or this is your first time to attend our Chinese class, please don't forget these 6 new vocabularies. Is very, very important. In our next lesson, we're going to discuss the initials and finals of Chinese language, which are the consonants and vowel sounds of Chinese language. See you guys next time in our next video course. 再见。